Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So back to my routine, but not full-fledgedly because I'm having my semester exams too. As you might have seen in my short videos that recently I have finished my practical examination, and on this particular day I have written my semester 2 first examination, which is operating system, and then after back-to-back exams is there for me till 19th of this month. Probably I may not give my 100% efforts for this SBI clerk examination, but my ultimate goal was to be in the SBI. What to do, I don't know why God is testing me this much in these situations. Every time I thought of keeping my 100% efforts in one or the other way, my exam is getting disturbed in one or the other aspect. I don't know what's wrong with my examinations, but yeah, somewhere I'm feeling like I should quit my job also. Due to this multitasking, I'm not able to keep my 100% efforts. What you guys are feeling, please do let me know in the comment section. My exam was from 10 to 1 p.m. So I came around 4 o'clock in the evening, and I took some break in between till 6 o'clock, and then I have switched to my studies. Firstly, I have heard the class of editorial, as you might have seen the clip already, and then I have written one reasoning sectional test because in my recent ibps PO examination I lost my marks in reasoning only because there I got nervous and I got stuck in one puzzle. So I thought of giving a sectional test first. So I have given, and the score is very worst. Percentile is also very worst, but yeah, it's okay. We'll be improving as the exam. We'll be giving back-to-back sectional test, then my score will be improving. But I have analyzed this test, and I lost my score in the alphanumeric series, not in any of the puzzles or sitting arrangements. One sitting arrangement I have not solved it also. And coming to direction, what you call it, the directions, in that I have solved, but I couldn't able to solve the questions because I have not understood the questions over there, which is two questions I didn't understood and one question I have solved. To the classes, which is two classes I have did from punnethsir classes itself in the YouTube sir have started. So fifth day and sixth day classes I have did, and seventh day class I have to do it today. But on that day I thought of doing, but I didn't felt like studying because morning I woke up around 5 o'clock, and then I prepared for my semester exam, and then I went to the exam, and back to back journey is there for me, and I am tired of doing all these works. And the previous day also in the school it was very hectic for me. Yeah, here you will be listening few clips. As Junnu said, randomly few things, you will be enjoying that. Please do listen it, as because the class is running in the backside, so I have not kept the voice fully because the copyright may get in my video, so that's the reason why. And after this class I did my dbms preparation for my semester exam, because for me again I have to go back to the school, and next day I have to go back to the exam, so there is no time for me to prepare. As you know, I am a working aspirant, so that is the reason why I have did some preparation for my semester exam too. And then that's it guys, on this day I have studied this much. I'll be uploading the vlogs whenever I'm preparing, like after coming from the examination. If I get some time to prepare, then I'll prepare and I'll uploading the videos. Probably I'll try to keep the shorts these month because I'm having exam no. So I'll be going for the exam. There I'll be uploading some clips regarding my examination and for this exam too. We'll see what is going to happen. How is your preparation going on? Please do let me know in the comment section. I'm feeling very demotivated these days. Thought of doing the 5 classes, but I couldn't. I have did only 3 classes. How I can balance 3 examinations at a time, I don't know. My semester exams are there till 19th of this month, and SBI is also probably will be having exam on 20 within 1 day. How can I prepare and how can I write? I don't know. As you know, for bank exams, continuous preparation must be there. Otherwise, our speed will be get decreased. Let's hope for the best and prepare how much I can. It is possible for me to prepare that much. I'll prepare. That's it, guys. Bye. See you in the next vlogs. Please do let me know what kind of a vlogs you are expecting.